This video will show you how to replace the Nano-SIM-Card tray in your ThinkPad. The process in this video will work for the ThinkPad T16 Gen 5. You'll need a SIM tray eject pin and 5 minutes of your time. Caution! To avoid damaging your device with electrostatic discharge, work on a hard flat surface. Use an anti-static wrist strap and mat, or discharge static by touching a grounded piece of metal. Insert a SIM release tool into the hole and press to release the Nano-SIM-Card tray. Remove the tray from the slot. Insert the Nano-SIM-Card tray into the slot and press to secure. You can find links to additional resources such as self-repair guides and the Lenovo parts store in the video description. For even more resources like user guides and manuals, visit the product page for your device at pcsupport.lenovo.com. For more information on your Lenovo devices, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube.